Good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday, November 6th, 2022. I'm going to look at the Astro Excel chart this morning and see what we have going for the rest of the week. Right now, we are hovering the zero line, and we're going to be hovering the zero line until uh, session change tonight at 1800. Now, we had a blue line spike low here, and that's where the overnight low came in. So when the green line is flat, we will look for the blue line to be the dominant trend factor. But as we get into the uh, next day session tonight, starting at 1800, the green line starts to move up and then gets above the 10 line at about 4 in the morning. It's hovering there, and then the rest of Wednesday and into Thursday is very bullish until we peak out excuse me, on the green line and blue line on Thursday at 8:35 a.m. and then we start to head down. Then the green line is down through Friday. Both lines peak here. Both lines are down in tandem until just about the end of the day session on Thursday. And then from Friday or late Thursday evening in 1900, both lines sync again, and we have counter influence there until the blue line peaks here. Then they're both down from 5:30 a.m. Friday until 9:45. So the main pressure is flat right now, starting to move up gradually tomorrow, but still not really influential that much until we get outside the 10 line and start to move up strong here late Wednesday. So late Wednesday we should be seeing bullish pressure until we get this peak here at 8:20 a.m. Thursday, and then the main trend should be down into Friday. So that's it for today. Let's see what happens with that, and we'll be back again in a day or two with another video.